now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Cakes coming at you with another video. I had a different shirt on, but you know the boys got a dub, so I had to pull out, 2018. It's not vintage, but I got some if y'all wanna. Never mind. So I noticed that people really liked the last fitting guide I did, and I'm pretty sure it was for the Yeezy slide. Yeah, like I was saying, they just could run kind of small. It's a lot of material. So we're back with another one, and it's because I keep getting. I just thought it would be a good time to, do one for the Yeezy foam runner. I have so many here. I wish you guys could see this freaking foam room, this shoe room. Hold on. I think I got another one. Only problem with having shoes of the same color is they're just all over the place. I don't know. Yeah, so fitting for Yeezys and fitting for Adidas is just one of the most annoying things ever. That's why it was good to make that slide video, because it's like they're not cheap. Like, you're buying a shoe for like 200 bucks that retailed at like 80. So you want to get the right size, because it's just the hassle of not having the right size, then probably having to sell that one, buy your actual size. It's like a 3-week delay if you don't get the right size. So this is one of the only Adidas models, I will say. Hey, this is kind of hard. Thumbnail, y'all know I'm weird. All right, but this is one of the only Adidas models that it fits true to size to me. So, and I'm gonna say true to size because I feel like I'm such a solid size 12 that if I say true to size and I'm wearing a 12, then whatever size you are, you will be able to wear that size. So, also just do quick little legit note. If you get the box and the box is crisp, a lot of these boxes I've seen, I haven't seen too many jacked up ones. So it's a crisp box. The UPC label up here. On the fake pairs, these numbers will be really big and there will barely be any space between them. So that's just a quick note, legit checking these. And just the overall feel of the shoe, it just feels so, it feels like a nice material. Like if you felt a fake, I wish, there's no way to really explain this, but here it kind of feels like squishy, feels like it would be a little comfortable. If you felt a fake, that mug will be rock hard and just not a comfortable thing to wear. When you put these on, they should be comfortable. Back to the fitting. So it's a pretty solid size 12. Let me try to figure this out for you. You know what? I told you I had hella pairs, so look. These not Adidas socks, but this is a size 12. This is my size. And you get a nice little undies because these have not been worn. But yeah, so it fits like a perfect 12. To me, you could barely tell, but there's no real room. It's a snug fit. It fits really well and feels good. Feels good on foot. And yeah, I just have a lot of stuff going. There's just so much stuff going on. You don't want to know what's going on in this room. Get your size, get your correct size. Stay true to size. If you need to, you can go, if you're a 10 and a half and you just go 11, you'll be straight. If you're a 9 and a half, go 10. I usually say go up. I really don't like the feel of like my toes against the front part of the shoe. So I'm always for going up a half a size before I go down half a size. But yeah, Mark Cakes, man. I don't know, Lakers not that good, Warriors real good. Oh, and another note just for the channel, we're about to start playing some video games, so stay tuned if you want to see your boy get work in on 2K. Other than when the game is cheating me, it's all bets is off, okay? And it cheats, not that much because I don't really be losing like that, but it be cheating me. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified whenever anything drops. And yeah, we out of here, man. Annie, say something to the people. Come here. Come here. He said,